Hi,
Hello,
ma'am.
hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also fine. So,
What is your name?
my name is Kushi, and what's about you?
My name is Shivangi. Where are you from?
I'm from Hilwadi, and where are you from?
I'm from Wajidpur, near to Hilwadi.
Yes.
So, what is your hobbies?
My hobbies are cooking food and clicking the photos. And what's about you?
My hobbies are playing and dancing, singing, etc.
Okay.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a successful person. And what's about you?
I want to be a manager. And what are you doing for become?
Nowadays, I am learning spoken English and learning basic computer and typing also. And what's about you?
Okay. I'm doing my PG post graduation after 1 month.
Okay.
So it will start for journey manager. So how many members in your family?
There are four members in my family, including me. And what's about you?
In my family there are 5 members, including with me. So would you like to go out of the country?
Yes, I would like to go out of the country. And what's about you?
I also go for out of the country. Uh, do you know how to prepare food?
Yes, I know how to prepare food.
You can prepare food sometime.
Yes, I am always prepare food at my home. And what's about you?
I am also preparing with my mother.
Okay. So there is any favorite dish you
No,
make very well?
yeah, of course. All the dishes are make very well.
Okay. And there is any place you want to go for, like your dream place?
Not exactly, not a dream place. I like every places after my getting my goals.
Okay.
So,
So
what do you think about which is your favorite place after getting a job?
I think at hilly areas is my favorite place.
You like hilly areas.
Yes.
Okay. Have you passed to your 12th?
Yes, I have passed my 12th.
From where?
I passed my 12th from Grove Girls School at Bador. And what's about you? You have passed?
Yes, I have passed my 12th in 2020-21 and
Okay.
from Chaudhry K. Singh Public School.
And nowadays you pursuing your graduation and completed your
Yeah, I
graduation.
complete my graduation.
Okay.
So, have you take your breakfast?
Yes, I have taken my breakfast. And what's about you?
I also have taken my breakfast. With whom you have taken your breakfast?
I have taken my breakfast alone. And what's about you?
I also taken with my breakfast with my mother.
Okay.
Can you fight with your brother?
Yes, I can fight with my brother. And what's about you?
No, I cannot fight with my brothers
Why?
because he is busy in her studies, his
Okay.
studies.
I think your brother is elder than you.
No, both are
Elder than two.
no, both are younger than me, younger to me.
Okay. So tell me about your hobbies.
Firstly, I said that I have told you that
Favorite one hobbies.
singing.
Okay. Can do you dare to sing a song
Yes, I
at
dare
here?
to. Yeah, I dare to sing a song at here.
There is any favorite song that mostly you listen or sing?
Yeah, mostly I sing, listen a song like as Punjabi.
Okay. I think your favorite song is Punjabi.
Almost all the songs are my favorite. But in free time, listen a Punjabi song.
Okay. So nowadays uh, I think you also learning computer.
Yes, I complete my computer, learning computer.
Okay. So can you prepare tea?
Yes, I also can prepare tea. And what's about you?
Yes, I also prepare tea. Would you like to tell me how to prepare tea?
Yes, of course, I would like to tell you about tea,
Okay.
preparing a tea.
After class, you tell me.
Okay, of course. Uh, who are you afraid of?
I am afraid of my mother. And what's about you?
No, I'm not afraid of anybody. And why are you afraid of your mother?
Because my mother is very strict.
Okay. Who are you fond of?
I am fond of talking with my friends. And what's about you?
I'm fond of nothing but it's like that. Have you? Do you have a friend?
Yes, I have lot of friends.
Who is your best friend?
There are three best friends. I have that one is Akshara, and one is Lakshmi, and one is Yashika.
That's nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you.
Thank you.